Wilk Electronics is proud to introduce to you the W3X excavator scale. Its robust design will withstand the toughest environments, while its highly advanced in-motion technology makes sure weight readings are accurate time and time again. What this means for you and your business is smooth and efficient loading without inconvenient slowdowns. The 5.7-inch high contrast screen and easy menu configurations make the W3X easy to see and simple to operate. Beyond the ease of use and limited user input needed to make the system work, it is the components of the W3X that give precise results needed for any operation. It all starts with the rugged dual pressure sensors, then incorporates multiple angle sensors with speed in motion sensing to give accurate readings that are unmatched on any excavator. Along with the industry's most accurate scale comes the industry's easiest data logging process. The W3X has a built-in USB port. This port allows the operator to upload new software into the W3X, and the same port is used for storing record-keeping data. With its ability to track customers, products, truck numbers, and a variety of other information, the W3X can be used beyond just being an accurate bucket scale. The W3X is an analysis tool that will result in better productivity, and you can be assured that whatever task you give the W3X, it will perform with outstanding results. The W3X from Wilk Electronics, where efficiency and profit meet.